Hello everybody, Gliderman here, and so today we're going to also be working on installing a GPU. This is an ATI Radeon GPU in this one. So where the GPU goes is in this PCI by 16 slot here, and you can see that there's this little blue tab here, and it goes through the rear panel here. So with this, we need to push on a little clip there that secures those, so it's screwless there. And then we're going to take our GPU here. It's a pretty low powered GPU. I think it only has like 256 megabytes of RAM, but still pretty decent. It's got like a, I'm assuming DVI connector and then like an S video, so pretty oddball, but yeah. So we're going to grab it, and then we're just going to line up this slot here with the slot down there. So just slide it ever so gently forward, and then let's see, pretty well lined up. And so just do a little bit of pushing. This blue tab should snap into a little clip on the back, and now it's installed. You can then just flip this one up. Depending on your latch, that may be a screw or something else. And so now our GPU is installed. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!